Welcome to my money printer review. This is a new product by James Renov and Dave Espino. And essentially, what they're teaching you here is the process that you follow to generate thousands of dollars online. Now, this is not, kind of a magic trick. It's more like a sustainable thing that they're doing and that I myself do as well. If we head over to the sales page here, you can see it's a pretty basic sales page, but I would say what they're covering in this product, it's very straightforward and based on actual results, both Dave's and James results. So it's very simple. Their money printer made 100K this month. Very straightforward, totally legal. Of course, they have a disclaimer here, so no one gets confused. It's completely legal. It's just a figure of speech, and you can see all the details about the sales page here in your own time. You can see the results here, right? And I know these guys, and I know they get killer results online. You can see all of that here, and you can do that in your own time. Okay, so that's what this product is about. I can't reveal more because you're going to learn more about that in the training. I am going to reveal a little bit more in just a moment, so bear with me. So essentially here, the front end is going to cost $11. They have a newsletter for $1, and then they have the 6-figure traffic system, which is a little bit more, but they have coaching. These guys knows what they're talking about, so you might want to consider that. Then they have the AI Army, $1, AI $1 million newsletter, $1, and then they have these 4 upgrades. The affiliate printer, more in-depth, $47. The CPA printer, how to combine this with CPA, $47. The traffic printer, about traffic, of course, $47. And the AI course printer, $47. These guys are doing some, behind the scene kind of stuff. They do things a little bit different, and that's a thing that I like personally. So you can check that. Okay. Thank you for watching my money printer review, and I guess I talk to you soon. Take care.